Kings and queens, hey guys. I hope you guys are having a great day today. I know it's not very easy with all that's going on right now. I hope you guys are still trying to remain safe and that you're taking care of your family, your little babies, and making sure that everyone is safe and together and doing the things that we need to do to fight this virus off. But today I'm in my kitchen and I'm going to be making taco. You may see my daughter in here. She's in here with me. But I'm going to be making taco. Let me see if you guys can see that. Okay, so the tacos, I'm going to be using the split peas, which is a little bit different, split peas, and some roasted garlic right here. Never tried it with that. It's normally, I guess you can put it with spaghetti or whatever, but I'm going to try it with my split peas on my taco. Also, my lettuce and my tomatoes. And you guys, I was surprised because when I went to the market, I was really surprised that I was able to find toilet paper. I know it's been a shortage in toilet paper. Very little disinfectant, wasn't really that much there. Pretty much like, all-purpose cleaner and stuff like that, but it wasn't really any like hard disinfect. I'm going to be making the tacos and I want to bring you guys along with me. We're my family and I love to talk to you and I love the connection that we have. Stay tuned in, everybody. Stay tuned in. Okay, hey guys, hey kings and queens. So I'm about to try these tacos. I was going to have you guys be with me as I cook the split peas and while I simmered the sauce with the garlic sauce on there. But I was like, you know what, to save time, I'll have it already done. Next time, I'll just go through the whole process and you guys can come with me. But for right now, I said, you know what, because I've been so busy today, let me just go ahead and have it done and you guys can see the finished result. And like I said, it's my first time trying it. It's something that I pretty much came up with the split pea because I love split peas. And I said, let me try it with some sauce. And I love garlic, so I tried it with the garlic sauce as well as the pickled jalapenos, peppers. And, I like spicy things too. So with the red onion, you know what, guys? Hold on one moment. Forgot my sour cream. Yeah, so here we go. Sour cream. It's not right without the sour cream on it. Guys, you definitely want that sour cream. Let me get this out. I hope you guys are keeping yourselves busy. Keeping yourself busy. Because I know I am. Finding all kinds of stuff to do around here. So, let me pour this on here. Oh. I like a lot of times of the sour cream. And I'm going to taste it now. Look at that. Let's try it. Not bad. I'll give it a thumbs up. Different because it's beans. And I usually don't do beans at all. I usually only do meat. You taste the onions, the red onions with the jalapenos. Wow. This is good, guys. I wouldn't call myself, you know, an extravagant cook, but put it like this: I ain't gonna starve. Okay. This is good. This is real good. I know they're saying about the government is supposed to be helping a lot of people. So hopefully, you know, all that's going on, that will relieve some people as far as the stress of what they're going through. So, oh, I'm sorry, guys, and I had already prayed over my food, just so you know. Yes, so, you know, hopefully that stimulus or whatever they're supposed to be doing is going to help out a lot of people. I don't know, but this one. What are you guys eating? What are some of the things you guys are eating? Put a comment down the bottom and let me know some of the things that you guys are eating while you're in the house. You know, since it's the only limited things that we can pretty much do. Cook, clean, spend time with the kids. And it's good times. And, you know, don't want to look at it as a negative. It's positive things, too. You're spending time with family. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Welcome to the new subscribers. Welcome, welcome, welcome to the family. So make sure that you hit your bell to be notified of every new upcoming video. This is really good. I want to say it's good. It's good to be updated on what's going on in the news, but don't let that consume your whole time and your whole day. I'll listen to get an update on it, and after that, I'll cut it off. Look at that. Look at all that goodness. Look at all that goodness. All that goodness. It's ridiculous. All that goodness. And it's very easy to fix. It's very, you know, and you could, guys, you know, tacos is one of them things that you could put whatever you want to put in it. You know, you could do it whatever way you want. You know, some people like beans, some people like meat. You know, whatever way you want to do it. You know what I mean? I'm trying to make sure that I'm doing things that's a little bit more, you know, I'm trying to just watch, excuse me, with different things that I eat. But, yeah, it's all kind of ways you can do it. Wow. Take a bite. Take a bite, guys. Take a bite. Got it? Okay. Things are looking good. Delicious. My tomato and my jalapeno fell out. That's okay. I'm gonna pick it right up and put it out in there. Put it right on there. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for all your support. I will be back soon. Be safe and God bless you. Peace.